Hi guys, today in this video we'll be learning about the password breaking. So Windows password breaking, okay? So in the previous video, we have learned about how to break the Kali Linux password, okay? Uh, by just pressing the option, like pressing the button E, and we have went into the basic command, like a basic command shell of the Kali Linux, and we have changed some lines, and then we have boot up the machine. So in that way, we can change the password of the Kali Linux. So, but here for Windows, it is exceptionally different. Okay, it is completely different from changing the password of the Kali Linux. So because it is very difficult to crack the Windows password, because all the passwords will be collectively stored in the database called SAM folder. Okay, so if you open this SAM folder, it will be like you can't able to perform operation on this SAM folders. Okay, so SAM stands for Security Access Manager, which stores all our Windows passwords. Okay, Windows passwords. So this stores our Windows passwords, and whenever it is necessary, so you can delete the password, or else you can change the password by entering the original password. Okay, so you can't able to perform operations on this SAM file because you are currently logged in into the Windows machine, and you're never going to see the passwords even. Okay, so you're never going to perform any kind of operations by opening this SAM file. So how do we change the passwords of a Windows machine, or if you want to, for example, if you forget the Windows machine, okay, for example, if you forget the Windows machine password, or for example, if you enter if you forget the Windows machine password, and what you're going to do, so you just give this machine to any hacker, like a hacker who is well known about cracking the Windows machine. So then what the first thing he actually do is he's going to connect the pen drive. Okay, so just a second. So he's going to connect the pen drive here, pen drive to your machine, where the pen drive where the pen drive contains some like OS called Ophcrack. Okay, Ophcrack password. Sorry, Ophcrack op, operating system. Okay, so he will be booting up your computer, okay, your physical machine, by connecting this pen drive. Okay, he boot up the machine by connecting to the pen drive. So whenever he connects to the pen drive, your physical machine operating system, like Windows will be going into the sleep mode. Okay, sleep mode look వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. So you can uh, like you can boot up through the pen drive. Okay, in pen drive, which system will be containing Ophcrack OS. Okay, Ophcrack operating system. So you can crack the passwords by using this Ophcrack. So let me show you how to crack the Windows machine by using Ophcrack. So in my case, I'm actually using this VMware VirtualBox, where uh see where I will be using this Windows 7 machine. So just a second, let me open this Windows 7 here for you. And there will be some user accounts as well. So one administrator account and two user accounts are there, one user account and one guest account. So just a second. uh, Sorry, I did not change the settings here. Just a second. Windows machine. So just observe the thing I'm doing here. I'm selecting the hard disk and bringing it top and clicking on OK. Now I'm going to start the machine here. So in your case, for example, if you do not have any virtual machine, uh, you can directly download the Ophcrack machine, like Ophcrack live CD, and you can burn up by using your favorite burner like Balena Etcher. Okay, you can connect. You just have to download this Balena Etcher from the online, and after that you just click on this install button, and you can after installing, you just have to click on this flash from file. Okay, when you click on this flash from file, you can select the live cd file. In my case, I have already done it for Kali Linux. You can select the Ophcrack. Okay, you can select the Ophcrack, and after that select the target. So just you have to connect your pen drive. Okay, your pen drive or any other like CDs. Okay, you just have to connect it, and later you have to press on this flash. Okay, you can see the flash, right? So you just press on the flash, and automatically your pen drive will be converted into the bootable device. Okay, you can convert the pen drive into the bootable device where your just a second, what is happening. So you can boot up by using your pen drive. So I'm opening my Windows machine here. But, yeah, yeah, my Windows machine is starting. Uh, the user accounts are Vamshi and Virtual 7. This is administrator account. Sorry, this Virtual 7 is the administrator account. This now I have to change the password of this Virtual 7. Now I'm going to, sorry, I have to enter into this Virtual 7, right? So I'm going to enter the password. So I entered the password and I clicked on arrow button. Now it will be logged in. See, so I have logged in into this Windows, right? So by entering the password. Okay. So for example, just imagine that you have forget your Windows machine password. So what you are going to do? So it will be very difficult to know your Windows password. Okay, it will be very difficult to you to know your Windows machine by like few people will suggest you to go to the troubleshoot options and they go to the command prompt and change like you need to change the password. Okay, that will be like it will be a hectic process. Okay, so I will be showing you the shortcut process to know your Windows password machine. Okay, so now for that I'm just doing the power of the machine. So now you just need to go to the Google. Okay, you need to install this separate Ophcrack OS. Okay, just a second. I'll be showing you, I'll be directing you how to install this. Don't worry, I will be giving the link of this Ophcrack in the description below. So just go to the Ophcrack. So now can you see the download here? So download button, just click on the download and you can select the any live CD. Okay, so in my case I have selected this Windows Ophcrack Vista 7 live CD. So just click on this and it will be automatically downloaded. Okay, so in my case I already downloaded this this Ophcrack uh, operating system. Just a second, I'll be showing you that. See, Ophcrack Vista Live CD 3.6.0 version, and this is also a type of ISO version. Okay, so what I'm going to do. It contains like it will be of 600 something that much MB will be there. So I'm going to cancel this one, and again what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give some changes to this Oracle VMware virtual box. Just a second. So just after opening the Oracle VMware, just go to the settings here, and after going to the settings you just go to the system, and for the first time you will be seeing the like unchecked box here for the optical. You need to check the box. Okay, you need to check the box for the optical and bring it to the top. Okay, why you are bringing this optical box to the top means whenever you do not want the Windows machine to boot up first, you just have to give the optical disk priority. Okay, priority for the optical disk, and give a checkbox and bring it top. So whatever the operating system present in the optical disk, it will be boot up first. For example, in my case, I am going to select this what do we call Ophcrack. Okay, Ophcrack OS, and I'm going to click on OK. Okay, so now we need to select the Ophcrack, right? So after that, so for that we need to go to the settings and again go to the storage. So in my case, I already selected the Ophcrack Vista Live CD. Okay, so in your case, you are doing it for the first time, right? So you just have to select the, you can see, you will be seeing the empty option here. Okay, in my case it is off track, but you can see the empty option here. Just click on that empty and you can select any like any live CD. Okay, so you have downloaded the off track, right? So just to select that off track and click on OK. Okay, so simple thing. Okay, just need to select that, and you need to change the optical and hard disk top and bottom. Okay, you need to change those things, and click on start button. Okay, your Ophcrack machine will be loading. So now before Windows machine, the Ophcrack live CD will be booting up. Okay, so now Windows will be going into the sleep mode, and before that this objective security, okay, OS machine will be putting up. So let us wait for some time. So let us wait for some time. And before that, let me show you this one. So for example, if you don't know how these Windows passwords are stored, just go to folders and just go to the OS. Okay, go to the C, and you can see the Windows here. Just click on the Windows and go to the System 32. After that, go to the configuration. Okay, go to the config and you'll be seeing the SAM here. Okay, so you can see the SAM here, and wherever the files, like wherever the passwords, so the things regarding to the password will be stored over there. You can't able to open the SAM file because you are currently using the Windows machine, right? So you can't able to perform any operations on the SAM file. So what happened, just a second. Just open the VM virtual box and give us few settings. Everything is okay. Now let us see whether it will be opened or not. So it is a graphical mode OS. It is searching for the sound cards. So just enter the yes. Okay. Click on yes button. Don't worry. Click on yes button and yes, yes. Okay. Yeah, it will be automatically directing you to this Ophcrack. So instead of this, you can also follow me. You can also follow me where you know. So just a second. See, select this Ophcrack and you can see load. Okay, load, and just go to the encrypted SRAM, and after that select the computer and local disk C, where you'll be seeing the media. Okay, just go to the media and go to the SDA2 and go to the Windows and go to the System 32 and go to the config. Okay, just select this particular folder and click on choose. Okay, after that you need to select the tables. Just click on the tables and just go to the Windows free Vista Free, and click on install. I need to select the folder. Just go to the computer, select the disk. So this is a Linux machine, right? So it will be having only one disk. So just go to the again media, yeah, next to SRO, and next to tables, and select this window, Vista Proba Free. Okay, just click on choose and click on OK. Okay, now let us see whether the password will be cracked or not. So let us wait for some time whether will it be cracked or not. Let us see. Okay, so directly our like our physical machines password will be broken. Okay, it will be showing you. So this comes under password breaking or password cracking, we call it as. So it will show us the passwords of our Windows machines. What is happening? So let us click on crack. Just give a click on this crack. Now it will be select. Now it will be like it will be performing some brute force attacks, and it will show us the passwords of the machines, Windows machines. Just a second. Yeah, it will be performing the brute force attacks, and all the attacks will be it will be performing, and at last it will show us the passwords. Okay, so it will be stored in the empty hashes, but it will directly show us the passwords. Okay, so let us see whether it will be showing the correct passwords or not. After knowing the password, you can directly log in into the like what do we call, we can directly log in into the administrator account, and you can change whatever the changes you want. Okay, you can give any changes, you can give any changes, like if you know the password of administrator, then you can do any changes. Okay, whatever changes you want to do, you can do anything by just logging into the administrator account. You can do changes to the guest accounts. Okay, if you know the password of guest account, you can easily change the password of this what do we call this uh, like what do we call this administrator account. Okay, so let's wait for some time. It is cracking the password. Let us see whether it will be cracked or not. So let's wait for some time. So we need to have some patience. Yeah, see, can you able to see the password of this virtual 7? So, this is the uh, administrator password. Okay, this is the administrator password, and after knowing the administrator password, you can easily do changes to the you know like any guest account. Okay, so now it is our time to change the like we finally came to know the password of the Windows machine, right? So you can easily change anything. Okay, you can easily log it into the password like Windows machine, and you can give the settings changes to the even what do we call this guest accounts. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. So I hope you have understood. So actually in this case we have performed this in virtual box. Okay, సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఫిజికల్ మిషన్ పైన ట్రై చేయాలనుకున్నారు అనుకోండి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీ మిషన్ లో విండోస్ మిషన్ ఉంది. సో హౌ యు ఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ. సో మీరు ఏం చేస్తారంటే జస్ట్ సెలెక్ట్ వన్ పెన్ డ్రైవ్. ఓకే, యూ రిక్వైర్ పెన్ డ్రైవ్. సో స్టిల్ ఇట్ ఈస్ క్యాలిక్యులేటింగ్ ఫర్ ద వంశీ యూజర్ అకౌంట్. సో జస్ట్ వెయిట్ ఫర్ సమ్ టైమ్. నోట్ ప్యాడ్కి వెళ్ళండి. నా సారీ, నోట్ ప్యాడ్కి వెళ్ళండి. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తారంటే మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఫిజికల్ మిషన్ పైన ట్రై చేయాలనుకున్నారు అనుకోండి. జస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు హ్యావ్ సమ్ థింగ్స్ లైక్ యూఎస్బి పెన్ డ్రైవ్. ఓకే, యూఎస్బి పెన్ డ్రైవ్ ఉందనుకోండి, దట్స్ మోర్ దెన్ ఎనఫ్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ఆఫ్ క్రాక్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోమని చూపించాను కదా. సో ఆ ఆఫ్ క్రాక్ ఐఎస్ఓ ఫైల్ లైవ్ సిడి. ఓకే, లైవ్ సిడి ఇది డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకొని పెట్టుకోండి. ఓకే, ఇంపార్టెంట్. లైవ్ సిడి డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకున్న తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ బర్న్ అప్ your pen drive with your favorite burner. Okay, next, now this pen drive will become a bootable device. Okay, now it will become a bootable device. Okay. Now after this, you need to connect pen drive. Okay, so everything you have said. Okay, so మీరు everything you have done successfully. Now what you need to do is, so మీరు పెన్ డ్రైవ్ చేశారు కదా, లైక్ పెన్ డ్రైవ్ ని బూటబుల్ డివైస్ గా కన్వర్ట్ చేశారు కదా. సో అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే జస్ట్ కనెక్ట్ యువర్ పెన్ డ్రైవ్ టు ద కంప్యూటర్. ఓకే, సో మీరు ఆన్ చేయక ముందు కంప్యూటర్ కి పెన్ డ్రైవ్ కనెక్ట్ చేయండి. సో ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఓపెన్ యువర్ ల్యాప్టాప్. ఓకే, సో క్లిక్ ఆన్ పవర్ బటన్. ఒక పవర్ బటన్ పైన క్లిక్ చేసి పట్టుకోండి. సో ఫర్ సమ్ టైమ్ 2 to 3 seconds పట్టుకున్న తర్వాత, సో ఇట్ విల్ డైరెక్ట్లీ టర్న్ ఆన్. ఓకే, టర్న్ లైక్ ఆన్ అయిన తర్వాత యూ జస్ట్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ హిట్ ద ఎస్కేప్ బటన్. ఓకే, ఎస్కేప్ బటన్ లోకి వెళ్తే, సో యూ జస్ట్ నీడ్ టు నో అబౌట్ ద కీస్. ఓకే, సో ఫంక్షనల్ కీస్ గురించి మీకు తెలుసుకోవాలి. ఓకే, బూటబుల్ కీస్ లైక్ ఫర్ పర్టికులర్ థింగ్స్, ఫర్ పర్టికులర్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్, లైక్ పర్టికులర్ machines ki particular keys ఉంటాయి. Okay, for like for HP, the bootable key will be either H2, like F2 or F9. Okay, for Windows F9, sorry, for Dell F9. Okay, so మీరు బూటింగ్ ఆప్షన్స్ లోకి వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటే జస్ట్ యూ నీడ్ టు ఎంటర్ ది ఎస్కేప్ బటన్ కంటిన్యూస్లీ. ఓకే, ఇట్ కంటిన్యూస్ గా ట్యాప్ చేస్తూ ఉండాలి బూట్ అయ్యే ముందు. సో ఇట్ సో దట్ ఇట్ క్యాన్ బి ఎంటర్ ఇట్ ద బూటింగ్ ఆప్షన్స్. ఓకే, బూటింగ్ ఆప్షన్స్ వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత మీరు పెన్ డ్రైవ్ ఆల్రెడీ కనెక్ట్ చేసి ఉంటారు కదా. సో యూ నీడ్ టు యూజ్ ద ఆరో కీస్. ఓకే, ఆరో కీస్ యూజ్ చేసి పెన్ డ్రైవ్ పైనకి తీసుకురండి. ఓకే, తీసుకొచ్చిన తర్వాత యూ జస్ట్ నీడ్ టు హిట్ ద ఎంటర్. ఓకే, ఎంటర్ పైన క్లిక్ చేసిన తర్వాత డైరెక్ట్లీ మీ విండోస్ మిషన్ అనేది స్లీపింగ్ మోడ్ లోకి వెళ్ళిపోయి, వాట్ ఎవర్ ద ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ దట్ ఈస్ స్టోర్డ్ ఇన్ ద what is called pen drive, that operating system will be like it will be booting up. Okay, boot అయిపోయి మీకు ఆఫ్ క్రాక్ అనేది చూపిస్తుంది. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ సేమ్ లైక్ దిస్, ఇది ఎలా చూపిస్తుందో సేమ్ లైక్ దట్ ఇట్ విల్ బి షోయింగ్. ఓకే, నేను మీకు లైక్ నేను మీకు క్లాస్ క్లాస్ చెప్పాలంటే నేను ఐ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ టు యూజ్ వర్చువల్ బాక్స్. ఓకే, సో లేకపోతే నేను కెమెరా ఆన్ చేసుకొని లైక్ వీడియోస్ ఫోన్లో వీడియోస్ తీసి చూపించాలంటే ఇట్ విల్ బి డిఫికల్ట్. ఓకే, సో దట్స్ వై ఐ యూజ్ ద వర్చువల్ బాక్స్ హియర్ VMware, సో టు షో యూ హౌ యూ క్యాన్ క్రాక్ ద పాస్వర్డ్స్ ఆఫ్ విండోస్. సో ఇది స్టిల్ క్రాక్ అవుతుంది బికాస్ ఎందుకంటే నేను వంశీకి ఒక డిఫరెంట్ పాస్వర్డ్ పెట్టాను. ఓకే, లైక్ వంశీ 1 2 3 4 5 6 లైక్ XYZ అలా ఒక లెంతీ పాస్వర్డ్ అని పెట్టాను. సో దట్స్ వై ఇట్ ఈస్ స్టిల్ టేకింగ్ ద టైం. ఓకే, లెంతీ పాస్వర్డ్ పెడితే లెంతీ అమౌంట్ ఆఫ్ పాస్వర్డ్ పెడితే amount of taking the time taking for cracking the password will be more. Okay, so నేను వర్చువల్ 7 కి ఏమో సింపుల్ 1 2 3 4 5 6 పెట్టాను బికాస్ మీకు టైం అనేది తక్కువ, లైక్ టైం అనేది ఎక్కువ కాకూడదు కదా మీకు చూపించేటప్పుడు. సో దట్స్ వై ఐ హ్యావ్ గివెన్ ద స్మాల్ పాస్వర్డ్. You can also give some big passwords, but it will take some more time. Okay, more time to crack the password. So I hope you have understood, and I hope you have understood this session, and thanks for watching this video. So after that, you can power up the machine. You can power up the machine, no problem. You can log in into your Windows. You can log in into your Windows by just changing some settings. Like go to the settings and again go to the system, and again go to the system here and give the click on this hard disk and bring it to the top, and again click on OK. Okay, after clicking on OK, your Windows machine will be booting up. Okay, so this is like a game. Okay, you can do whatever you want. You just have to think that this is so easy to do. So you just have to you need to show some interest. See, we are getting Windows machine. Okay, it will completely depending upon the priority of the, like whatever the box we are checking. Okay, that depends only upon the priority options we are checking in the settings option. Okay, so I hope you have understood. So now I will be logging into the virtual box. Sorry, not virtual box, this Windows machine. Just a second. This virtual box, right? So this is virtual 7. So this is the administrator account, and let us see whether the password it is shown there it is right or wrong. Okay, so I entered the password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Just a second. 1 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let us see whether it is right or not. See, we are logged in, so that is the correct password. So So successfully you can break the passwords or you can crack the passwords. So in this way. So I hope you have understood the class, and thanks for watching this video. We'll meet in the next session.